to the channel. I know it's been a little bit since I've been back, but I am actually here to unbox a new item that I got from Young Nails. I purchased this during their Labor Day sale. I believe it was $76.64. But this is the fiber gel extension kit. And I like to do a lot of full coverage nails. It just makes it a lot easier for me. So I'm excited to try this. So if you want to see what's inside the kit, then stick around. So if you look right here, you're able to see everything that is included in the kit. And then you're also able to get the pictures right here. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and for every item that I put up on the screen, I'm gonna make sure that I include the price. If you guys have any comments, questions, or any ideas for videos, drop them down in the comment section, and I'll try to get those out. I'm trying to get better at doing my videos again, so just leave me some suggestions.